we're here at NAIA Terminal 3 and time check is 3:20 in the morning. So we're going to Cebu, Bohol, and we're going to have a vacation there for 6 days. And our boarding time is around 4:40, so mag-aantay muna kami dito ng ilang oras na lang naman. And I have here my to-go snack lockers. And update ko kayo kapag nakapag-board na kami sa plane.
Wow, Richmond base.
Ang dami ng tao. Wala na kami lang kasi. Migs, nasan ka?
Oh, say hi to Tata Bear. Say hi.
Migs, where are you?
Say hi to the vlog. Say hi.
So guys, time check. It's 5:15 in the morning and nakasakay na kami ngayon sa plane. Then it's around 1 to 2 hours yung biyahe natin. So see you Cebu. Hey guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Cebu. So our first stop is Sirao Flower Garden. So ito daw yung Amsterdam ng Cebu. So let's explore it, then let's see. Hi guys, we're here at House of Lechon. We're going to have our lunch here. So we're just waiting for our orders. So far yung mga napuntahan pa lang namin is yung Sirao Flower Garden, Temple of Leia, and Taoist Temple. After namin mag-lunch, meron pa kami pupuntahan. And yun, kain muna kami. guys, it's our day 2. So we're going to Bantayan Island. And it's time check, it's 5 AM in the morning. Ang aga ng call time namin. Kasi kailangan pa namin. Sasakay pa ba tayo ng barko lang? Bangka? Okay, hindi namin alam kung ano sasakay namin. Sunduin kami dito ng 5 AM. Pero nag-aayos pa rin kami. So, see you later. Hi guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa ferry. So papunta na kami ngayon sa Bantayan Island. I think 1 hour and a half siya. Papahinga muna kami dito kasi ang tagal din ng biyahe namin. Like 2 hours kaming nasa van papunta rito sa Agnaya Port. And then another 1 and a half hour hanggang makarating ng Bantayan Island. Update ko kayo kapag nakarating na kami sa Bantayan Island. Sa hotel para mag-check-in. Alam. Habulin mo ako.
Hi!
Hello!
Bilog na naman ang buwan. Ilabas mo na ang kalokohan. Abilog, abilog, abilog na naman ang buwan.
Yeah, Mix!
Abilog, abilog, abilog na naman ang buwan. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog! Meet Sir Alan, isa po siyang lokal dito.
Kokoy Baldog.